Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei Mate 70 Pro, Huawei Magic 7 Pro and Huawei Pura 70 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Huawei Mate 70 Pro comes with 6.9 inches LTPO OLED display, and the Huawei Magic 7 Pro and Huawei Pura 70 Pro comes with 6.8 inches LTPO OLED display. Hardware features. Huawei Magic 7 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Mate 70 Pro and Pura 70 Pro comes with Kirin chipset. Camera features. They offer 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connected HOD speakers and fingerprints. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.